Welcome. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy channel. This particular serial is concerned with most important Ayurvedic medicinal plants. To begin with, I am discussing the 30 most important medicinal plants in our general medical practice, which these plants are very useful to solve many of our health problems. So let us discuss about Manjistha today. Try to understand. Dr. Deshpande is discussing all the plants in a very scientific manner. He discussed about the synonyms, he discussed about the properties, he discussed about the effects on dosha and dhatu and srotas. Then he talks about how the action takes place, the different indications, and also he gives the most important kalpa or the product from this particular plant. So myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Raghuvira Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine, Kaya Chikitsa, and MD in physiology, that is Ayurvedic physiology, that is Kriya Sharir. My WhatsApp number is 9226810 Manjistha. So let us see the plant of this particular Manjistha. So synonyms gives you the idea about the structure of the plant, properties of the plants, and also the uses of that particular plant. So first is a jingi. Jingi is a synonym of Manjistha. Jingati prasariti. Original Sanskrit word prasariti. Actions all over the body. Prasarana, different relate to all the parts of our body. There is a tablet available in the market which is called as Jingi Sharadi Vati. Vati means tablet. Jingi Sharadi Vati. Manjistha Sariva tablet. Manjistha Sariva tablet is available in the market. Okay. Then Samanga. Amanto Gachati. Spreads in all directions. This Manjistha creeper plant spreads in all the directions. Kalmeshi. Misha means competition. The person consuming this plant can make the competition with the time. He can make a conquer victory on the time. That is called as anti-aging medicine. Anti-aging, it can keep your youth. It will not make you old. No wrinkles, no problem with the mental faculty, no problem with the digestion. So Manjistha can be used as a rasayana or rejuvenating or anti-aging herb. Then Bandhi. Okay, Bandati Sundara Varna. Hold the property to impart to you the good color and good complexion of your skin. So Manjistha is for color and complexion. Okay, so Bandhi. Next, Manjistha in Asian countries, it has been used from the previous days as a dye, D-Y-E, dye, that imparts the shades to your hair, red color, scarlet color, brown color, maroon color, to the cotton and woolen fabrics. Color is given to the cloths. So that Manjistha is used to prepare the dye which makes the different color to the cloths. Try to understand. Okay. Next, Manjistha Latin name is Rubia Cordifolia. Rubia Cordifolia. This is a creeper. Stems and roots are the useful parts. Upayukta Anga in Sanskrit. Which parts are used as a medicine? Stem and roots. Dravyagunavignyan Siddhanta Ayurvedic herbology is based on Rasa Vipaka Virya Siddhanta. Rasa is a test of Manjistha is a Tikta, Kashaya and Madhura. Tikta is a bitter, Kashaya is a astringent, and Madhur means sweet. These are the Sanskrit words. Vipaka, post-digestive effect, that is Madhura Vipaka. And Virya, potency, is hot. Manjistha is Ushna Virya, hot plant. Try to be understood. Guna, that is properties. Guru, sometimes it is nutritious. And Ruksha, cleansing effect. Shoshane Rukshaha, unwanted secretions, Kleda will be absorbed from the different cells. Vichitra Pratyarabdhatva Dravya. I have discussed this topic many times. There are two types of the plants, Samana Pratyarabdhatva and Vichitra Pratyarabdhatva. When Rasa, Virya, Vipak are mismatching, they are called as a Vichitra, because here you can see Rasa is Madhur, Vipak is Madhur. What we expect? Madhur, Madhur, Shita. But this is Madhur, Madhur, Ushna. Madhur, Madhur, Shita, okay. Samana Pratyarabdhatva. But Madhur, Madhur, Ushna, sweet, sweet, hot. Is it possible that sweet taste can give the heating effect? No, we don't understand. Na? Yes, that is here mismatching. Then that particular herb is called as a Vichitra Pratyarabdhatva. I know. The pronunciation, understanding is very difficult about these words, but some little of Ayurvedic herbology, you should understand. Okay. Manjistha effects, basically it is controlling pitta and kapha, but used excessively, it can stimulate vata dosha. It acts on rasadhatu, raktadhatu, mausdhatu, and asthidhatu. Srotas, similar. Body channels, rasava srotas, raktava srotas, artava srotas, gynecological reproductive system, mutrava srotas, and asthiva srotas, osseous tissue. Kashai and tiktaras pacify the kapha. It pacify little bit pitta also, but samapitta. Remember, Manjistha will control samapitta. Manjistha will control samapitta. Pitta with pitta with toxin, not the nirama pitta, because Manjistha is hot. Manjistha is hot. How it can control pitta? Pitta can be controlled when it is sama, created from indigestion, created from faulty metabolism. Then only you have to use the Manjistha, not in the nirama pitta. Madhur and Shita properties are used to control the vata dosha. This is Vichitra Pratyarabdhatva plant, similar to the Guduchi and similar to the Haritaki. Okay. Manjistha is a Rakta Shuddhikara. Rakta means blood, blood purifier. In skin diseases, basically there is a problem of Pitta Prakopa, and Rakta Dhatu is weak. Rakta Dhatu Sarata, quality is very poor of Rakta Dhatu, then provoked Pitta attack on Rakta Dhatu. Pitta is attacking on Rakta. Dosha Dushya Sammurchana Janito Vyadhi. When Prakupitta Dosha attacks on the body tissues, the disease is created. Do you understand the pathogenesis? Okay. In skin diseases, Tvaka Dushti. Many types of skin diseases are described in Ayurveda as, you know the word, Kushtha. Kushtha is not leprosy. Kushtha means different types of skin diseases according to Ayurveda. Try to understand Ayurvedic terminology. Due to the detoxification process, action on Rakta Dhatu, Manjistha is beneficial in various skin diseases. Manjistha is Rakta Shuddhikara, blood purifier, because of the bitter and astringent test. Bitter will Amapachak, nullify the toxins. Even the infections are called as Ama in Ayurveda. Am is like a toxic substance in the body, created because of the two reasons: endogenous causes, ajirna, agnimandya, due to the faulty primary digestion, or your tissue digestion can be weak, weak, dhatvagni. So ama is generated if some bacteria, some allergens, some fungus infection, some viral infection attacks, that microorganisms, whatever the toxins they create, are also or is also called as ama in Ayurveda. So ama two types: endogenous, exogenous. Is it clear? Everywhere that particular Manjistha is like antibiotic, is like antiseptic. It will act as antiseptic. Okay. So purify the blood, absorbs the unwanted secretions like kleda in weeping eczema, stravi secretions, pus. Okay. It also acts on the sama pitta, vitiated pitta. Tvak dushti har. Har means curative effect on rakta dushti. Tvak dushti. Manjistha reduces the itching, pruritus, itching because of the secretions by reducing the skin clade, unwanted secretions, mucoid secretions, serous secretions, seromucoid secretions, pus, everything will be taken care by Manjistha and also reduces the skin irritation. Mahamanjisthadi kadha, available in the market. Can you see this lesion? Weeping, itching, irritation. 4 teaspoons morning and evening after food. Okay. Tvakdushti hara, cleansing the skin problems. Manjistha is useful in skin diseases where mainly vitiated kapha and impure blood are the causative factors. Skin diseases with serous, mucus or mucopurulent discharge internally Manjistha you can take as well as external douche, wash, cleansing irrigation by the Manjistha Siddha Jala. Medicated water, medicated decoction prepared from Manjistha will be used for washing of the wounds. Manjistha for Mukha Dushika Har. What is Mukha Dushika? Tarunya Pitika, Yauvana Pidaka, Acne vulgaris. Okay. Acne, Manjistha Churna is used along with Sariva, Chandana, sandalwood, Nimba, Azadiracta indica, and Triphala as a face pack for the purpose of curing the acne problem. Manjistha is Varnya, skin color and complexion, because Tikta and Kashayaras purify the Rasadhatu and Raktadhatu. Rasagat Am, Raktagat Am is get detoxified by the use of Manjistha as an antibiotic, antiseptic, and shows its action to improve the skin color, to improve the skin complexion. Manjistha is Vrana Shodhana. Vrana means wound. Shodhana, detoxification, cleansing. Non-healing ulcers. Manjisthadi Kashaya tablets are used for healing the various ulcers like diabetic wounds, septic non-healing wounds. Manjistha purifies the Rakta Dhatu and promotes the normal healing of the wound. Manjistha is Pramehagna. Prameha, different urinary problems, but specifically Madhumeha. Madhu is a diabetes mellitus. When the blood sugar is raised, insulin resistance, then in Manjistha reduces the clade from the body, because Ayurveda believes that obesity, cholesterol, diabetes are the problems because of the clade, excess clade. What is clade? Unwanted, watery waste part developed, created because of the faulty tissue metabolism in obesity, in cholesterol, in diabetes mellitus. There is excessive clade at the level of Med Dhatu, fat metabolism problem, sugar metabolism problem. Clade is there according to Ayurveda, and that will be taken care by, yes, Manjistha. Manjistha is very useful in treating the diabetic ulcers, that is Prameha Pidaka in Ayurveda, carbuncle. Manjistha is for menstrual cycle. Manjistha is used orally to regulate the menstrual cycle, monthly cycle in the females. It regulates the estrogen level of the body. If there is a kashtartava, dysmenorrhea, painful menstruation, Manjistha regulates the function of Apana Vayu. There are 5 types of Vata bioenergy: Pran, Udan, Vyan, Saman, Apan. Pran, Udan, upper part. Vyan at the heart. Saman in the central part, and Apan at the lower abdomen and lower extremities. Okay, so menstrual problem is related with Apan Vayu. It is used in postnatal care as well, and in various types of diseases related with female reproductive system. Artav vah srotas. Manjistha in Kashtartava. Manjistha is Ushna Virya. Okay, Vatagna and Tiktaras relieves the obstruction. Strotorodajanya Vata Prakop is nullified with the use of Manjistha and regulates the blood flow, normal blood flow. Okay, this is Margaorodajanya Vata Prakop is taken care by Manjistha. Remember this thing. Always, according to Ayurveda, pain is related with disturbance in Vata dosha. Okay. Now the Manjistha products, Kalpas. Manjistha capsule is available, one in the morning, one in the evening, recommended for skin diseases and to purify the Artava or to regulate the menstrual blood flow. Then this is Sariva Manjistha Vati, Jingi Sharadi Vati. 2 tablets morning, 2 tablets in the evening to purify blood, even for dysmenorrhea. Then Mahamanjisthadi Kwath or the Kadha. It is used in various skin diseases, 3 to 4 teaspoons morning and evening at 7 a.m., 7 p.m. Rasayana Kal. Okay. Manjisthadi Kashaya tablets for non-healing wounds or ulcers, diabetic foot, varicose veins, 1 tablet 3 times in a day, morning, afternoon, evening, with Kaishor Gugulu. Kaishor contains Guduchi, Rubia Cordifolia, Rasayana, Tiktarasa. 2 tablets 3 times in a day. Okay. So these are the pictures, very easy to remember. Mahamanjisthadi Ghanavati is available. Himalaya, Manjistha capsule, Manjistha tablets are available. Mahamanjisthadi Kada from Sandu Pharmaceuticals. Rakta Shodhaka tablet contains Manjistha. So antibiotic for skin infections. Sariva Manjisthadivati or Jingi Sharadivati. My dear friend, this is all about today Manjistha discussion. This is educational video. So disclaimer, वैधानिक इशारा, कौन सी भी बीमारी में यथावश्यक यथाकाल वैद्यकीय सलाह लेना बहुत जरूरत है. If you are suffering from skin diseases, psoriasis, chronic eczema, tinea, fungal infections, please visit to the Ayurvedic hospitals, Ayurvedic Vaidyas. And if you need Ayurveda Academy's help from Professor Dr. Deshpande, you are requested to WhatsApp me your name, address, problem on 9226810630 for paid online consultation. So I request all of you, like every time, request. विनंती करता हूं हाथ जोड़कर कि आप मेरा ये जो वीडियो है वो लाइक कर दीजिए, थम्स अप, शेयर कर दीजिए. And if you are a new subscriber, please subscribe my YouTube channel to boost my energy all the time to prepare the different very useful videos for the medical students, professors, doctors, and the common man as well. I wish all the best. Sarve pisukina santu, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kaschit dukkham apnuyat. I wish you happy, healthy, and long life. Take care. Bye.